Good morning again, students. Welcome to our online class for second session on Monday. Alright, so what did you do, everyone, during your break? Did you have fun? Okay, so for the second session on Monday, we're going to study Treehouse 3. So now we will continue our units. Okay, unit 9, the candy factory. Alright, the candy factory. So now please open your book on page 113. Okay, alright, so here we go, everyone. So today for the second session we going to go to the king. Alright, so today we go to the king. Okay, go to the king. But before we going to the king for the first session, everyone, what did you study? Okay, you study about get the candy. All right, so for the first session you get the candy. So now after we get the candy we will go to the candy king. Okay, so teacher have two questions. Okay, the first question, do you see the candy king? Do you see the candy king, everyone, in this picture? Do you see the candy king? Yes, I see the candy king. Where, everyone? Over here. Alright, he has ground, okay, and he has the walking stick. Okay, that's the walking stick, and he has white hairs. Okay, so he is the candy king. We can see the candy king. And do you see kangaroo? Do you see kangaroo? Where, everyone? Here. All right, yes, I see kangaroo. He is brown. Okay, he has brown color. All right, so now look here, everyone. So what is this letter, everyone? It is big K. All right, it is big K. What about this? It is small k. All right, big K, small k. So in our unit, everyone, we've learned two words over here. All right, the important two words that we use with letter K. Letter K has sound. What kind of sound that letter K has, everyone? K. All right, so repeat after teacher. K. Okay, K. Letter K has K sound, and for these two words it used with K sound. All right, so now repeat after teacher. K. Kangaroo. K. Kangaroo. K. King. K. King. Okay, so do you understand, everyone? So please remember that K has K sound, and in our unit we have kangaroo and king. So what words that we use with letter K, everyone? So teacher gives you an example. Keys. Okay, keys. Okay, what else? Kid. Okay, kid. All right, small person. All right, we call kid. All right, so teacher hope that you understand. Okay, for what on the whiteboard. All right, so now it's your time, everyone, to go to the candy king. All right, so are you ready to go to the candy king? All right, so please prepare yourself. You will go to the candy king right now by, okay, listen, say, and add the stickers. Okay, so teacher will play track for you, and what you have to do is listen, trace, and add the sticker so that you can go to the candy king. Everyone, so you can find sticker over here. All right, you can find sticker over here. Okay, you see it right now over here. All right, so when you listen you have to say and then add the sticker to complete letter K, alright? So that you can go to the Candy King. Okay, so now let's start listen.
Listen and add the stickers. Hi everyone! Let's go with the kangaroo to the Candy King. Oh, look over there. I can see the big letter K near the king. Do you see the big letter K? Yeah, that's it. Say the letter. Big K. Good. Now add the sticker. Say the sound K. Now say the word king. Okay. Now look at the small letter K. Do you see it? Say the letter. Small K. Good. Now add the sticker. Say the sound K. Now say the word kangaroo. Good! You did it! Great! Let's go meet the Candy King.
Alright everyone, so after you listen, did you say and did you add the sticker? Alright, you add the sticker on this area, alright, white areas to complete letter K. And you also add the sticker in this area to complete letter small k, alright, big K and small k. So everyone, so I hope that you add the sticker already and you done very good job, alright. Okay, so now we can go to the Candy King, okay, after you added the stickers. Alright everyone, so we finished our activity for today class, alright. So now teacher would like to say goodbye and see you tomorrow.